Hi, so today we're going to be creating the Texas State flower of blue bonnets. First thing we want to do is create our sky. So we're going to take our paintbrush. Remember, we want to be using the tip, not the metal connector. We're going to put some blue paint on our paintbrush. We're going to paint our sky. Don't forget to add a little bit of water to move your paint around. So we go paint, paper, and some water. Filling up our paper. We're going to create our horizon line. That's where our land is going to meet the sky. So now I have my blue section. I was using my blue paint, plus I went to my water to move it around. I'm going to take my paint brush, I'm going to put it in the water cup. I'm going to clean it off. I'm gently stirring using the water cup to help me, scraping it off. I can even use my paper towel and blot my paintbrush. I'm going to then go to my grass. So I have my sky, I have my horizon line where the land's going to meet the sky. I'm going to take my green. Just like I did with the blue, I'm going to use water to move that paint around. So I go into my water cup and I add some water to move my paint around. So now I have my sky, I have my land, I have my horizon line where my land meets the sky. Next, I'm going to start my flowers. To do that, I'm going to start to create some stems. I want to have at least 5 flowers. You can have more flowers depending on your space. So once I have my stems, I'm going to then create some leaves. And those are just oval shapes. We're just taking that brush, getting our ovals. And getting some leaves on the flowers. Now here's the fun part. So instead of using our paintbrush for the petal part, we're going to use our fingers. So we're going to get some blue paint. We're going to tap blue paint on there. Because when we look at blue bonnets, they look like little circles. So we're taking and putting blue circles on there because we're using our fingerprint. So we're tapping our finger on the stem. Now our very last step, and I'm not even going to clean my brush because I want a little bit of blue on it. I'm going to add the bonnet part because they're called blue bonnets because it's supposed to look like a little white bonnet on top. So we start to take and tap some white on there And it has a little bit of the blue on there because my fingers still had blue on it. Creating our blue bonnets. And that's our blue bonnets done. If you got some fingerprints on there, you can always kind of go back over the grass, get your fingerprints off, and that's it. Texas blue bonnets. We have our sky, our land, and our flowers.